Hello everyone, this is Whisper Media. I am a portrait and wedding photographer here in Nigeria. On today's video, I'll put you through the behind the scene of how we shot these amazing studio images, the camera setting, the light setup. So if you're interested in how we shot these beautiful images, watch at the end of this video to see how we achieved it. Planning is very essential in executing a successful studio photo shoot. So prior to the day of the shoot, the clients have sent us a mood board, the inspiration and color of our outfits. That way we plan ahead and it helps us to execute fast. Coming forward, keep coming forward. Perfect, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. I've started, so let's start. Okay. Okay, can you do something else? Then the bouquet. Okay, yeah. Just keep your hand this way. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I love this. Stay like that. Put the bouquet. Let me be seeing the bouquet. Bring your leg forward. Yeah, ahead. Okay, bring your leg forward. Yeah. Then let the bouquet be like this. Okay, see. Yeah. Very good. Take a deep breath. Okay, you good? I love this. Yeah, still like that. Okay, look at me. Chin up. Look this way. Look at my hand. Yeah, maintain that pace. Yeah. Done. Come and see what we have first to know if we are making a progress. Come and take your time. Go through it. Yeah. Just. Hey. I'm not with the cake. With this out. Okay, with the other outfits. Okay. Sama, this way. Yes, now future now. Oh, so do we stop? Should we stop?
No.
Have you seen like 3 pictures you like?
Just snap. I'm helping you. Don't go close to her. What's wrong with this boy? Leave me alone.
I think you come from this angle.
Thank you. Don't buy this one. Is it? I'm not sure.
Yeah. You fling it. Sorry.
No, when you remove this, you will check it. When you remove this, where she's the shortest in my house. But I'm taller than her now. We're the same height. In your house? Yes. Our last one is like this size. I don't know. Is your father come? My dad come. Maybe your mom was the one there. And she's slim.
Okay, let's go. Show my arm. On the count of 3, we flow together, you get? On the count of 3, all of us do it, you get? 1, 2, ready, go.
Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Previous one is better, yeah?
No, this one we just do now. And this one. See,
Then just-
you still use this thing now.
What?
Liquify.
Of course. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah. Then look at my hand. Chin up. Look at my hand this side. Look at my hand. Yeah, maintain that pace. Yeah. Okay, look at me. Sorry. Okay, come and see what we have. I think you need to change. Okay, let's go.
Get a drop again on phone. You will an hour. You get to go now. Come now. Cool. You have intention of sitting like this carrying cake? Yeah, I like that. I like that. Then look at me that way. Yeah, beautiful. You got close. Sometimes you got close. Stay like that. Okay, look at what you do here. Can these? I like this. There, yeah. Look at me. But then you have a situation. You can look at me now. Yeah, this is beautiful. I like that way you took your hand back. Yeah, cool. I love this. Then look at the camera. Look at me, look at me. Look at me, sorry. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. You've gotten something nice, like very nice.
If you want to learn how we edited these images, fixed the background, the skin tone and all of that, you have a video in the description where we talked about full detailed explanation of how to edit images and all. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video for more photography tips.